Hey guys, it is Kevin here in Japan, and right behind me is a new Tokyo, it's IKEA, and there's the brand new Tokyo interior shop, which is just opened up this week. I'm gonna go check out the Tokyo interior in a little while, but first of all, I'm going in a different direction. So I'm gonna cycle down this way towards the #2 container berth here on Port Island in Kobe, Japan, because that's where these fire ants, invasive fire ants, that have been all over the news in Japan, where they arrived here in Kobe on Port Island a couple weeks ago in a container. So I'm just gonna go in that area and check it out, because you know I'm into entomology, folks. Okay, so up here is a container port, container storage area. There's some shipping containers on trucks, and this is where there was a container that came from Guangdong province in China, and it was here for more than 5 days, and it was found to have a colony of fire ants, South American fire ants in it, and some of them escaped. So there's a lot of panic here in Kobe amongst the uneducated, I suppose, that these things have spread all over the city. Whereas actually, as you can see around this area, it's mostly everything's paved. There are some little spots where maybe if ants got out and if there was a queen where they could start a colony, but there's not a lot of options for them. So I'm just going to go down here and check out this container area. I've been here before, like when I used to run out here and cycle and stuff, so let's go check it out. So here's the area. So the fire ants were found in this container yard. So there's not much around here. I mean, like there's not an environment or habitats that fire ants could probably, utilize. So I know I'm certainly not worried about them, spreading. Not anytime soon anyway, but unfortunately there's a lot of panic. It's been in the media, and I've even had students who said last weekend that they weren't allowed outside to play because of fire ants, and they don't live anywhere close to here. If for whatever reason the ants did catch on, were able to make a nest or whatever, it would take months, years for them to spread into the rest of the city. And this is an island, so they would have to cross a bridge. Let's continue investigating. I haven't seen any kind of ants so far. Nothing. Not even indigenous types. All right, so I'm leaving here. I can't see any signs of anything, which doesn't mean anything. I'm just saying I can't see any signs of anything. But I'm going to go to Tokyo Interior, which is that way. So let's do that. So they got a nice bicycle parking lot here at Tokyo Interior, and in here is Kids Land, a play area for children, which my son is not happy about because it's only for kindergarten age and younger, which means he's too old to play in here. Poor guy. And it's right across the road from IKEA. Okay, let's check this place out. Wow. There we go. Try not to get lost. Oh wow, I don't know. I guess so. Wow. This place just opened up on Thursday. Wow. So yeah, I thought this place would be much busier. It's pretty crazy down that way, but you get restaurants here, lots of things to do and things to see and hang out. It's cool. I'm gonna sit down on the sofa. Hey, you can watch a TV show with people sitting on the same sofa that you're sitting on right now.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's very meta. Yeah. It's a sad doggy. Hi, sad doggy. Does anyone want a sad doggy picture? For $300 for the sad doggy. All right, guys. So, Kaya, is this place cool?
Yeah.
Is there a lot of stuff?
Yeah.
Is there a lot of neat stuff?
Yeah.
It's pretty crowded though. And Kai, do you want stuff here?
Yeah.
What kind of stuff? Anything, right? You just want stuff.
Yeah.
You just want stuff. They got a lot of stuff here. Someone's tired. Someone's bored. I wonder who it could be. Tired and bored. That's Kai. Do you like this desk, Rena? Student desks. These are expensive desks. Here, Kai's sitting here at the Cool Boy Classic desk. Rena found one she likes. It's a princess desk. Oh my goodness.
mommy これ誕生日買って
The chicken cuts. Just made chicken cuts. Oh, made chicken cuts. Made in this oil. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Yummy. Always good food in this house. Like I mentioned, always good food in this house if you're at. Potatoes that are cooked with ham and onions and oh, yum 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 yum. Can't wait to eat this. Happy Saturday, everyone. And the Ultramons will fight. Ultramen? Ultraman. Wow, here are the plants on the balcony. The veranda. No food this year though, since we are going to be leaving soon. Well, we got basil. The basil's doing well. It's a mini sunflower my son's growing. Jasmine, Christmas cactus, which is doing well. Olive tree, other things. Yeah. Not for the faint of heart. Ja-ja. And check it out guys. Amazing kids set plates that my wife has made for the kids. Chicken cuts, right? Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, yay! It's like you're going to a restaurant, Kai. Ja-ja. Ja-ja. Here's the grown-up food. Yummy vinegared carrots kind of thing.
I see more.
Like a kid set, right, Kai?
Yeah.
Yeah, my
Want some of lunch? Ja-ja! Yay! Jelly! Gotta love jelly! Ja-ja! Ja-ja! So we're finishing the day by watching some track and field here in Japan. In Osaka. Hey guys, it's Kevin here again. Dirty lens. And yeah, okay, so I'm out, it's night, and I'm playing Pokemon Go because they've got the new raid system in. Like they've added a bunch of stuff to the game, which is making it wicked fun for me. So that's what I'm doing. I'm up playing some Pokemon Go, guys. Don't hold it against me. I can't do this in China. All right, there's no Pokemon Go there, so let me get it in when I can. All right, folks. Well, that does it for another day here in Japan. I'm sitting in front of a Family Mart after an exciting round of Pokemon Go, and I'm gonna go home in a few minutes and relax. I'm pretty much relaxing right now, anyway. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed following me on my day here in Japan. Go check all the links below. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Yeah, so check all that stuff out below, guys. Check out my podcast, my Facebook pages. Go like them all, follow them all that stuff. Remember, like this video. All right, see you guys. Take care. Kevin in Japan.